Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to apply free shipping when cart is above specific weight in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and then you see subtotal, you see shipping and then you see product weight, total weight for quantity, total order weight. If you want to display product weight, total weight for quantity, total order weight in cart and checkout page. So we are using custom code for this and you will find that video link in video description or in comment section. So we are going to set up shipping charges above specific weight like 20 kg, 50 kg and below that threshold we are going to apply free shipping. Now go to dashboard, on left side you see plugin, so click on add plugin. Then in search plugin write WooCommerce weight based shipping. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings, so click on it and then you see shipping tab, so click on it. And if you want you can create global rule. Now you see weight based shipping. If you want to create global rule then you can delete zone name shipping zone, but we are going to create shipping rule based on weight in shipping zone. Now click on edit and we are going to delete previous method. So we are using flat rate. Now click on delete, okay, and then you see add shipping method, so click on it. Now you see create shipping method and then you see option weight based shipping. So after activating plugin then you see this option, so click on it and then click on continue. Now edit and then click on edit. Then we are in shipping zone worldwide weight based shipping loading. So this is sample. If you want you can read it or check it. So we are going to delete it. Now select all, delete, and then we are going to create new first rule. So click on add first rule and then you see title, destination, product, weight, value, shipping note. So you can add title name. So we edit title shipping charges below 10. So we are going to charge price or amount if cart order weight below 10, destination any. So you can select country or country according to your requirement. Now you see all, product all, weight. Now click on it. Now you see from 0 kg up to excluding. So we add 0 and then you see up to excluding. So we are going to add 10. So up to excluding mean that you are including everything up to certain point but not including that point itself. So it's mean in this rule 10 is excluding, not including. So weight from 0 to 9 kg. When you say up to excluding X, you are specifying a range that starts from the beginning and goes to but does not include this point 10. So click on OK. So we don't add any value. Now you see free shipping. Now select. So we are going to charge. If you want you can charge flat rate, progressive, flat plus progressive. So we are going to charge flat. Now 20 we are going to charge below 10 kg and then click on OK. If you want you can add note and then we are going to add one more rule and then we are going to apply free shipping above specific cart weight. So click on add rule. So we are going to add title. So free shipping above 10 kg, destination any, all, weight 10 kg up to excluding infinity maximum 10 plus. We don't add any value. Now you see shipping. So we charge free shipping, apply. If you want you can add note and then click on save. Now save done, go to cart page and refresh the page. So you can create rule according to your requirement. So it's up to you. And then you see our quantity of weight 15 kg, total order weight, shipping, free shipping above 10. So free shipping apply because total order weight above 15 kg. Now reduce, update cart, now 5 kg, quantity 1. And then you see shipping charges below 10, 20. Now you see subtotal 30, 20, 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. Again increase, update. Now you see cart updated, subtotal 90, total 90, free shipping 0. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.